So what are common defenses for a DUI case? As a former prosecutor, now criminal defense attorney for almost 20 years focusing on criminal law, there are some certain common defenses that lawyers can use in driving under the influence cases. The first defense, an unlawful stop by law enforcement. The first thing a good lawyer is going to do is look at the traffic stop. In California, an officer needs to have reasonable suspicion that you committed a traffic violation or a crime to stop you. We have seen cases where overzealous officers have stopped people merely because it's 2:30 at night and the car shouldn't be on the road, but they couldn't articulate why they stopped the vehicle. What a good lawyer will do in that case is file what's called a suppression motion. And a suppression motion is a motion we file with the court saying, hey, this stop is unlawful, so based on that unlawfulness of the stop, they violated my client's constitutional rights, and everything after that stop should not be used as evidence because it's fruit of the poisonous tree. And therefore, the judge will throw out all the evidence and leave the case empty for the prosecutor, and it gets dismissed. Number two, an inaccurate breathalyzer test. Breathalyzer is a device or an instrument police officers use in order to take the blood alcohol concentration from your deep lung air. These devices have to be maintained and have to be calibrated by law enforcement in order to be accurate. If they give us the records and their maintenance logs or their calibration logs are off, then the device is given inaccurate reads and therefore the test is unreliable. Third, field sobriety tests. Field sobriety tests have to be given by law enforcement in a certain way. They have to be explained properly and demonstrated properly by law enforcement. But these tests we see time and time again are not done correctly. An officer may not have explained the test correctly, or the tests were conducted outside on an uneven surface, or I've even seen it sometimes when it's raining out they're conducting tests. Remember, not every defense works on every case, but a good attorney is going to look at every factor in the case and see if there's a defense that can be used to protect you in your rights. So, hire an attorney if you have a DUI case. There might be a good defense that fits.